Can I have your ball? Mimi, can I have your ball? Can I have it? Thank you. Can I have your ball, baby? Naomi, can I have your ball? Give it to me. You like being outside? Let me see. Where's your ball? Around the deck every time. Where's she going now? Hey, you. Can I have your ball? Bring me your ball. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, bring it to Mommy. Come on. Give it to me. Can I have it? Can I have your ball? I can't throw it if you don't give it to me. Thank you. Are you such a pretty girl? Mimi. Hey, baby. Where you going? Naomi. Hey, pretty girl.